Hey yo, what's poppin' everyone? Welcome back to the Craft Lab where we're about to blow your freaking minds. In today's vid, we're gonna watch someone create a wooden slingshot from scratch. Forget about those basic slingshots made from Y-shaped branches, cause this bad boy is gonna be crafted from a solid piece of wood, meticulously shaped and put together for a sturdy and reliable design. Let's dive in. First things first. Start by hacking up a rectangular block of wood to serve as the slingshot frame. Then, outline the shape of the handle and arms where we'll be attaching the rubber band. Grab a saw or knife and slice along those marked lines to form the basic structure of the slingshot. Once the shape is carved out, smooth those edges using sandpaper. It's crucial to make sure the slingshot is comfy to hold and free of any damn splinters. Now that our slingshot body is looking fly, it's time to slap on that rubber band. Start by creating some small notches or drilling tiny holes at the top of the slingshot, arms to keep that band in place. Cut 2 equal pieces of rubber band or elastic, tubing, and attach them to the top ends of the slingshot. Secure those babies with some badass knots, zip ties, or tape. Then, connect the other ends of the rubber bands to a leather or fabric pouch. This pouch is going to hold the projectile when you pull back and let it rip. Find a safe spot to practice your slingshot skills. Make sure those connections are tight and on point for maximum performance. Now, let's put this bad boy to the test. Grip that handle tight with one hand. Load up a small projectile in the pouch. Pull back, take aim, and release. Work on your grip and aim to boost that accuracy. And there you have it. A kick-ass homemade wooden slingshot that's a breeze to make and a blast to use. If you dug this tutorial, smash that like button. Subscribe to the Craft Lab, and hit that notification bell for more epic DIY projects. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next vid.